I came at a time into politics in the year 2019, just before COVID. And being the youngest MLA at the time, at the age of 29, I was in an assembly complex full of politicians that were close friends and aides of my late father. It was extremely difficult for a youngster to be in a room full of senior political leaders, where the next youngest person was 18 years older than me. It was a time where, as much as I was interested in learning about them, they were interested in learning about the technology I used, whether it was social media. I think that was what was trending at the time. They wanted to know how I used Instagram for my campaign. They wanted to know how I used Facebook. So politics is an exchange of ideas. Politics is an exchange of knowledge through generations. And as there are a lot of senior members present here today, and there will be a lot of younger members that will represent our nation in the future, it is the responsibility collectively of each and every one of us to be able to transfer the knowledge that we once learned from our seniors to the younger generation that is going to come after us.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.